Parking mode off.
And it's a 6-speed. I'm gonna test it real quick. I don't want to. I'll let somebody fix it and then I'll be driving it. Let's see. Huh? You think so? That's badass.
Did you turn traction control off?
No. I didn't really.
You wrecked this bitch, you're fucked, dude.
It's got a check engine light on it too.
Yeah, you hear that exhaust? I guarantee you can straight lights.
Maybe. Let's go see what it is. It's got a 6-speed in it.
Sounds gnarly. You back it up or?
Nah.
Is that the girl that said she had calipers painted or whatever? What she got done under the hood?
I don't know. It says test drive before and after.
It might just have,
It's got a 6-speed manual in it.
yeah. That's the same gearbox that's out of the, GTO.
Well, we're gonna find out what it's made of.
I know, you always do.
Nice ride, man.
It's not mine.
Hey, you're nice.
Yeah, it's fast. She hot?
Definitely, I've definitely been. This is supercharged, right? Should be.
Like, yeah.
It is.
I felt so bad because I go to pull it around because she parked over here and she's standing out here and I'm trying to pull it around and I was fine, clutch is great and everything, but I'm like,
Oh, yeah, it's
wait,
like
how's the
a
e-brake? Well, I was like, how's the e-brake? I was like, is it off? And I put it in reverse, started letting up to feel the clutch and it said e-brake released. I'm like, okay, cool. Because every time I hit the button, it re-engaged it. I'm like, no, take it off.
Oh, yeah, you can do it the other
Yeah,
way.
this
Well,
thing,
it goes off. As soon as you
I
put it
can
here,
tell
it's not
you
going.
it'll hit 110 in 4th gear.
We'll have you do.
Shane,
It scared me.
Yes.
I'm sure.
This thing's stupid fast.
Dude, it's
But
bad.
it's crazy how smooth these clutches are.
Oh, yeah,
how
the
easy it is
sm-
to drive.
Yeah, the clutch is
Yeah,
excellent.
Going around the parking lot, it's just beep, beep.
I like
Yeah,
these a
if
lot
you're-
more
if
than the
you're driving
Camaro
normally,
clutches.
Like, you would never know. Like,
What's
what
a
it is.
Cadillac?
Like,
You're
you
gonna
just
get
drive.
those maybe.
Well, even like a Corvette, like they're smooth when you're not getting on it.
Yeah,
Like they're just smooth.
it was definitely smooth. Just driving through,
Yeah,
driving through town or whatever. I mean, it's just choo.
I
I was
wouldn't
like, yep.
no doubt about it.
I wouldn't. I'd be in jail.
Yeah. That's how I feel about my bike. Or maybe I should just get rid of it before I get in trouble.
A guy pulled up beside me on one of those little spider things, little
Hey,
spider bikes. He said, "Man, that's a nice car." I said, "It ain't mine." He said, "You don't see what they can do off the line?" I said, "You don't want any of this, I promise." He said, "Let's see." First gear, he's gone. Second gear, I was like, "Whoa!" He's like, he pulls up to the next stop. He said, "Jesus!" I said, "Yeah, it's fine."
That's what it's all about.
I've never seen the pink.
They just done it like 10 days ago, apparently.
Oh, so they did it.
Yeah.
I was going to say, I didn't think that they... So, is it a woman that owns it?
Yep.
Good for her.
And it's a manual. That's all I care about. I was like, this is my kind of woman. Yeah, nigga, CTSV, nigga. 7-speed? 6-speed. And that bitch hit 110 in 4th gear.
Oh, I know who.
It scared the shit out of me.
They gotta be kilometers long, right?
No, it's miles per hour. I checked it.
Yeah, damn. This is 330.
All right. I know you're not 100% comfortable in driving a straight drive. It needs a brake flush done to it, and the brakes bled and everything tuned up on it. I want you to do it because I don't want anybody.
Oh, got slided this road. What? They just put the calipers up there? I'm imagining.
Yeah, and she said the brake felt a little funny. After you get done with it, come get me. Me and you will test drive it.
What, she here waiting?
No, she is not waiting.
Okay, cool.
But like I say, I'm gonna give the keys to you when you need it moved. Just let me know. I know you're not comfortable with it, but I know you're comfortable with doing the brakes and everything else on it. So I'm gonna park that bitch in front of this door right here. Which door you want me to put it in?
Yeah, they are for some fucking reason. I don't get it why, but I can drive these bitches easy.
So to unlock the door, or to open the door, you just push that little button out there.
Same thing as the Corvette.
That's just crazy. I ain't never been in a Corvette, so I don't know.
I know shit. She's slucky.
Corvette's lighter, man. That bitch is heavy compared to the
I love it. I love it.
What's that place, dude?
I don't know.
Look, I like it.
Hey, when I first went out to it, I've done like that. I was like, oh shit.
Can't have too much fun. It's got a camera in there, and then it's hooked up to the Wi-Fi.
Yeah, my astronaut racing it, they got Takata harnesses in there. Yeah, she got it tracking it somewhere. Yeah, there's a fucking race harness in there. Only on the driver's side. There's a harness laying on the floor. Right there. They come up from the back seats and lap over. I don't know where that's at. That's a weird looking track.
Yeah, but shit, it ain't gonna do that. I doubt it's gonna do that kilometers. Though.
I know for a fact it ain't gonna do that shit.
Yeah.
That's miles per hour. I don't doubt that's kilometers.
Yeah, but shit, it'll probably get up to like 200.
That's
I doubt
what I'm
if it get up no down 300.
Let's go, man. See what this bitch can do. Figure out, see what she do.
Man, shit, I'm about to though, man. Just to unplug this fucking camera.
Oh, they got a camera on?
You here?
Where?
Fucking right there.
Oh,
Yeah, so I can't get on it too much.
Oh, you said he had the same like clear cut.
Yeah, I know.
What that motherfucker?
That's what I'm about.
Starting north.